Hello viewers and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Aegis Home Wi-Fi Smart Lock. The sleek Aegis Wi-Fi Smart Lock is easy to install and packs a ton of features into its compact frame. Aegis Smart Locks fit on the inside of your door, making your regular deadbolt smarter, more secure and way more convenient. Keep your keys just in case. Forget key copying. Quickly and easily share permanent, scheduled or temporary access to your home with friends, family and other people you trust, and never put a key under the doormat again. Even if you're not so handy, installation only takes about 10 minutes. Aegis locks fit perfectly over most single-cylinder deadbolts and aren't much bigger than your original thumb turn. Aegis Wi-Fi Smart Lock is able to auto-unlock as you get home for totally hands-free unlocking. With auto lock and door sense, your home automatically secures once your door is closed, or after a set amount of time. Built-in Wi-Fi allows your lock to work with your favorite voice assistant, including Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, Samsung SmartThings and more. Get smart lock functionality without changing the look of the outside of your front door. Aegis smart locks are installed only on the inside of the door, so your design for your front door doesn't have to adapt. Our second best smart door lock is Kwikset Programmable Keypad Smart Key Security. The Kwikset Halo Touch Smart Lock lets you lock and unlock your door with your phone, voice, keys, and fingerprint. Manage your Aura Smart Bluetooth lock from your smartphone or mobile device when you are within Bluetooth range using the Kwikset app. Connectivity protocol is Bluetooth. Lock and unlock your front door lock from your smartphone using the Kwikset app within Bluetooth range of the lock. Keyless entry convenience at your fingertips with up to 250 programmable unique custom user codes for any time, one time, or specific days and times. When in Bluetooth range you can create, temporarily disable, and delete user codes from your smartphone and set schedules for customer user codes. Receive notifications of the lock's activity or view the lock's event history on your smartphone using the Kwikset app within Bluetooth range of the Aura door lock. Third in our list is Ultralock ZWave Smart Lock. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a dependable and versatile smart lock that lets you lock and unlock your door with your voice and fingerprint, as well as via keypad, mobile app, or traditional key. Control your Ultralock smart lock anytime, anywhere, lock, unlock, share access and see a log of who's entered and exactly when they did remotely using smartphone app with ZWave. Share code remotely to your family, guests or service people for permanent access, specific dates or periods of time. Requires compatible ZWave hubs or Ultralock bridge sold separately. Smart Lock automatically locks if your door closes with door sensor and unlocks when you arrive at your door with your smartphone in your pocket. Compatible with Apple Watch. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. Requires Ultralock bridge or compatible ZWave hubs such as Samsung SmartThings, Hubitat and Islo etc., sold separately. Dual data encryption using secure 128-bit ICE and a dynamic key that will keep your data safe. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our best smart door lock list is Bosma Aegis Smart Door Lock. The affordable Bosma Aegis Smart Lock is easy to install, operates silently, and works with lots of other smart home devices. Detects attempted break-ins while triggering an automatic siren and notifying you immediately. Unlock or lock your door from anywhere, anytime. Share lock access with family members and guests so they can come and go as they please even when you're away. App-less guest key allows your guests unlock via the generated link and access code through the internet. With Aegis's bank-grade ICE 128 advanced encryption, there's no need to worry about unauthorized access to your home. Turn your existing deadbolt into a smart lock in just 10 minutes with the Aegis Smart Door Lock. You'll only need a screwdriver. You can even still use your original physical keys. The Aegis automatically unlocks your door as you approach your home and automatically locks your door when the door closes behind you. Aegis's auto unlock is compatible with your Android and iPhones. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Kwikset Halo Fingerprint Smart Lock. The Halo Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock allows you to simply use your unique fingerprint to lock and unlock your door. Halo Touch has Wi-Fi built in that connects directly to your home Wi-Fi network and smartphone for a secure smart home that does not require a third-party smart home hub, panel, or subscription. With storage for up to 100 fingerprints, you can give access to your family and friends with their unique fingerprint and manage access through the Kwikset app. With the Kwikset app in your smartphone, you can manage your lock from anywhere. Lock and unlock, manage users, view lock activity, receive lock notifications and much more. Your existing home Wi-Fi network and an internet connection brings the ultimate in security and convenience right to your fingertips. You can also lock and check the status of Halo using voice commands with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This single-cylinder deadbolt can be locked or unlocked by using the fingerprint sensor or key from the outside as well as the turn button from the inside. Available in both contemporary and traditional styles, find the perfect match for your home decor. Halo Touch brings all the convenience and security right to your fingertips. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!